Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sadia Khan and the topic of my assignment is Culture of Pakistan. So first of all, what is culture? Culture may be defined as an integral whole which affects human ideas, actions and modes of living. And according to E.B. Taylor, culture is a complex whole which includes knowledge, beliefs, art, morals, customs, and all other capabilities and habits acquired by man as a member of society. Pakistani culture. Pakistan's culture is very diverse. There are differences in culture among the different ethnic groups in matters such as dresses, food, and religion, especially where indigenous pre-Islamic customs differ from Islamic practices. Characteristics of Pakistani culture. Pakistani culture has the following characteristics: mixed cultures, rich literature, male dominated society, variety of dresses, fairs and festivals, sports, handicrafts, Islamic values and traditions, national and regional languages, and many more. Islamic values. Majority of population comprises of Muslims and follows teachings of Islam, that is belief in one Allah, prophethood of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, brotherhood, equality and social justice, etc. Islam is a religion of peace and patience. Pakistani society is very cooperative. National and regional languages. Pakistan is a large country which comprises of 4 provinces and have different languages. Punjabi, Pashto, Sindhi, Balochi, Barohi and Kashmiri are regional languages. However, Urdu is the national language which is spoken and understood in all parts of the country. Mixed culture. The presence of Hindu community in Sindh gives touches of dances and music in the Sindhi region. The Hindus sing Bijaz, but Pakistani culture has adopted Qawwali, which is a praise of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Rich literature. Pakistani culture is rich in the literatures of Urdu, Punjabi, Sindhi, Pashto, Barohi, Balochi and Kashmiri languages. Urdu literature boasts of the masterpieces of Maulana Azad Iqbal, Shibli, Hali, Ghalib, Agha Hashar, whereas the Punjabi literature stands out with great names like Waris Shah, Sultan Bahu, Ghulam Farid, Bulle Shah and Hussain Shah, etc. Similarly, Sindhi literature glitters with the masterpiece of Shah Abdul Latif, Sachal Sarmast, etc. The Pashto literature also boasts of names like Sheikh Saleh and many more. The Balochi literature comprises of masterpieces of Jam Durg, Muhammad Ali, Zahur Shah Hashmi, etc. Dresses. Pakistani culture is rich in variety of dresses. Balochi people of Gilgit-Baltistan and Sindhis wear their own distinct dresses. These dresses are very colorful and attractive. Fairs and festivals. The culture of Pakistan has great tradition of fairs and festivals. On these occasions, fairs are also held in which people take part in great numbers. Sports. Pakistani people are great lovers of sports and games. Games like wrestling, boxing and athletics are also very popular among masses. Pakistan has produced great sportsmen in the past. Handicrafts. Handicrafts of Pakistan are famous in all over the world, especially wooden furniture of Chiniot, sports goods of Sialkot and embroidery of Multan and Hyderabad are world famous. Religious festivals. Following are some of the main religious festivals celebrated in Pakistan: Shab-e Barat, Shab-e Qadr, Shab-e Miraj, Eid ul-Fitr, Eid ul-Azha, Miladun Nabi, Yom-e Ashura, Ramadan, birth rites, funeral rites, etc. National festivals of Pakistan includes Independence Day, Pakistan Day, Defense Day, Air Force Day, Iqbal Day and Quaid-e-Azam Day. Culture, ceremonies and festivals of Pakistan includes Lok Virsa Mela, हॉर्स एंड कैटल शो, बसंत और जश्न बहारा, कैलाश फेस्टिवल, marriage ceremonies, Sindh festivals, etc. Thank you.